Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gwyn, and for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of K-beauty products that YesStyle sent over as a part of their Box of She package. And for this month, it's actually heavily inspired by Chuseok, which is a Korean holiday that is very similar to Thanksgiving. So they gave me a bunch of Korean products to review, including some skincare and makeup, and I'm very excited to show you guys all of them. So first, we are going to start off with the skincare products. Okay, so I literally just got out of the shower and I am going to try out the Vanilla Co. Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. And I've actually been using this for the longest time, so I can personally vouch for how effective it is, how great it is on my skin. This is by far my favorite cleansing balm of all time, and I'm really glad that they gave me all of the 4 different variations because I've only ever tried the original one. I've actually already started taking out some product of the original one, so I'm gonna put it on my face so that you guys can see how it works. If you haven't tried cleansing balms, essentially it just removes all of your makeup, all of the excess dirt and oils that are stuck on your face after a long day, and essentially this just melts all of those products and removes it once you rinse it off of your face. So I take like about a good amount, and then I just apply it all over my face. It just feels like oil, honestly. We have like really sensitive skin, and as you guys can see, I'm already starting to have redness on my cheeks. I have been doing double cleansing for almost 3 years now, and I've been doing it every single day, even on days when I don't have makeup, because it also removes all of the blackheads and whiteheads that I have on my face, especially here on my nose, because I quite have a lot. You guys can't really tell from the camera, but there are a lot of blackheads there. Okay, so I just rinsed it off and my hair is still really wet. My bangs are like in front of my face. We are going to put on a sheet mask. And I've actually haven't put on a sheet mask in like months now, which is crazy because I used to do this like every single week. So I'm really happy that YesStyle decided to send these over. So far, this one actually smells like the plant. I look crazy right now. There's actually a generous amount of essence inside, so I'm just going to gather them all and put them on my neck. I usually store all of my face masks in the fridge because whenever I use them, I really like the sensation of having like cold masks on my face. It's just very cooling to me. Honestly, I haven't actually used hair rollers in my entire life, so this is going to be my first time. I'm just going to wing it because I don't want to watch an instruction video. Oh my gosh, I look so crazy right now. This is a Halloween costume. Okay, okay, clip it right here. Let's see how that works on my bangs. Okay, so I have a lot of hair stuck on the mask because of the blow dryer. So let's take off the mask. I have no idea what I'm doing with my life. Oh, it kind of curled it. What really annoys me about my hair is that whenever I curl it, it just automatically turns straight like a few seconds after. To lock in the moisture, they actually sent me a set of the Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo Mini. And this is my first time hearing about this product, but they included a toner, a lotion, and a serum. First impressions, it doesn't have any fragrance, which is a 5/5 for me. I absolutely don't like it when my skincare has fragrance, mainly because I have sensitive skin. Since I haven't heard of this brand before, I am going to be researching a bit on what's inside. It doesn't have any parabens, which is great. It also doesn't have any artificial coloring and artificial fragrances. I'm just putting an amount on a cotton pad. Well, it feels like menthol, but not like the really strong menthol. Like I can feel it cooling my skin. Let's try out the serum. I like that it comes with a pump so that you can really control the amount that you're putting on your face. And so far, the texture is very liquidy. I don't really feel any effects right now, but the serum definitely made my skin a lot cooler. Like right now I'm touching it, it actually feels kind of cold on my face. And now let's try out the soothing lotion. Doesn't have any fragrance as well. I just wish it kind of came in like a pump also, so that you can control how much you're getting. Wow, my face isn't that red, which is great because usually when I try new skincare products, it actually reacts and goes all red, but for this one, it's actually really liking it. So my sensitive skin approves of this product. While I was researching, I actually saw some of the reviews, and it has a 4.5 rating in the YesStyle website, and it has a 4.8 rating in the Althea website. Not bad. So I put on concealer under my eyes, on my nose, and also a bit on my forehead. So right now I'm going to be setting everything with the Skin Food Multi-Finish powder. I just use a brush. I like using a brush more than the puff that it comes with. Oops. True to its name, it actually does have a hint of peach fragrance to it. The smell is actually kind of strong. I'm not really a huge fan of this, but quality-wise, it does get the job done. Moving on to my favorite part, we have the blush. I'm actually such a huge fan of blushes because I'm the type of person who shows up in class with like really red tint here. That was like a year ago. I kind of learned how to tone it down a bit, but I'm still very much obsessed with blush. Let's see how this looks like. I'm actually very excited to try this one out because I've heard of Roman before, but I never tried any of their products yet. By the way, my voice is like disappearing, so please bear with me. It has a very pinkish tone to it. The texture is also very powdery, like whenever I just swipe it across, like you can see the powder going away. Like, can you see that? So I need to tap off the excess. For sure, it's very subtle. It's good for every day. I really like this. I can see myself using this a lot. Finally, we are moving to the lips, and I've actually also haven't heard of this brand before, but what really struck me was how red this is. Like, it's such a deep red. I find this really pretty, but I'm not sure if it really matches me. So let's see if it does. Whoa, that's so red. That's so red. I'm just gonna try blending it out. Okay, so now that it's actually on my lips, it doesn't look as intimidating as I thought it would be. It looks like I'm wearing a tint. It dries out really quickly, but it's not like a matte lipstick. Like, do you get it? I would say the texture is in between like a matte lipstick and a lipstick with a powdery finish. I really like this. I could totally see myself just applying this manner, like not full-on lipstick, but putting a bit in the middle and then spreading it out like a gradient lip. You know, similar to Korean dramas and all. Wow, I'm actually really liking this one. So those are all of the products that I got from YesStyle, and I'm actually very pleased with every single one. But if I had to pick a favorite, it would be the lipstick, because can you guys see how pretty it is? Like, I'm obsessed. I could totally see myself wearing this every day, even though I'm just at home. So as usual, all of the links will be down in the description box below in case you guys want to buy any. And of course, I have a cute little gift for you guys. You can get 10% off your first order using my code GWYNRU31. I'll have it linked down in the description box also. And yeah, you get a discount code, you get nice products. I got you. Thank you so much for watching this video again, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!